Hello everyone, and welcome back to Think of Mind. Are you having trouble with no sound in Google Slides or wondering how to add and control audio in your presentation? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to insert audio, adjust playback settings, control when the audio plays, and fix common sound issues with easy, step-by-step instructions. So, if you want your Google Slides presentation to play audio smoothly without any problems, keep watching. Now let's get started.
Open your presentation and click on Insert in the top menu, then click on Audio. Now choose your file from My Drive and hit the Insert button. Once added, click the audio icon to open the Format Options menu on the right side. Expand the audio playback section to see all of your important control settings. Here, you can choose to play the audio automatically or on click. You can also adjust the volume, loop the track, or stop it on a slide change. Finally, click on Slideshow at the top to preview how your sound works.